In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use a Target gift card for payment. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. Add those to the cart. Then head over to the carts page. Here you're going to find all the items that you have added for purchase. Now proceed to checkout. While checking out, you're going to find this section of payments. Here you will also find the option of gift card. Click on that. Now you can scan your gift card or enter your gift card number and access number or PIN if required. Then select apply. The value of your gift card will be deducted from your order total. If the gift card balance does not cover the full purchase amount, simply choose another accepted payment method such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or another available option to pay the remaining balance. After your payment is completed, you will receive an order confirmation or a printed receipt showing how much was charged to your Target gift card and any additional payment method used. And that's it. This way you can easily use a Target gift card for payment. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.